Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya Burton. If it's your first time here, welcome. This channel is pretty much based on home decor, beauty and fashion. So today on this video I am going to clean my refrigerator and reorganize some stuff. So why not? Come along with me. Let's check it out. Enjoy the video. Alright, so I got the refrigerator clean. There's one piece I cannot put it back. I've been struggling with it, so I took it off camera. So I'm gonna give it one last try. If not, I'm gonna have to wait for my husband or when he get up from work to put it up for me because I don't want to mess anything on my refrigerator. Alright, so I am done cleaning and I went grocery shopping, but also I removed a lot of stuff, so my counter is crazy. Good stuff everywhere. So what we're gonna do now is put stuff back on it. Like inside, don't mind the mess, okay? Because that's what we're here for, is the mess, so we can clean it up. So we are going to put things back inside nicely. So we're going to serve eggs. So I have those containers, the plastics, the clear one that has a top on, so it looked nice in the refrigerator, make things look nice and neat. So that's what I'm gonna do now, is put all my eggs back. I'm gonna get me a trash can so I can put all my trash. Here. Wow. Put all the eggs inside. It makes the refrigerator look so pretty. Oh, I got one egg that's instead of having those plastic stuff. So this is what we have. I have the cheese jar, and I have this sandwiches, bacon, juices, and little storages, I guess. And I have more vegetable. I'm trying to put all the vegetables together, but they're so big. I don't know. Eggs, breads, butter, and more stuff coming. So we are done with this too. The cheese is perfect. So now I don't know what else I have. And there's another drawer right here that I cannot put on, but we're gonna try to work it one more time. Okay, so this is the last drawer that I cannot put back on. See, it's stuck. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and fill stuff in there. In vegetables, and I'll go over here. So I like this divider kind of thing. And this one is so big, and I think that's perfect for all my vegetables. So let's get those big carrots in. Oh, those carrots are on steroids for real. So carrots are in. And I can't put this in here. But I also have these little guys, but I feel like, okay, so I have another small one. I got all those little containers. All right, so I think I have fresh thyme, fresh basil. I'm gonna see if I can just figure out a way to organize this little thing. And I got like gonna open like some, put that in there. Jalapeno. I eat too much peppers, y'all. I love spicy stuff, so there's a few things you'll find at my house. Jalapenos, habaneros. Yes. Alright, so the one that don't look too pretty, I think I'm gonna throw them away. Okay, so this is this little container right here. Where should I put it? I don't know, should I put it inside of there or find another thing to put it on? So I think it will be better that way. I think I can put it right here. So it's gonna be like my little divider. And it's much more stuff coming, so but we're looking good. We're looking good. I got some lettuce. Where should I put the lettuce? Okay, so the lettuce gonna go right here. Perfect. Lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. I think I'm pretty much finished with all the stuff, y'all. Okay. Now I got those little things. Also, again, you know, me and jalapeno. Nah, this one is habanero. This is the most spiciest, for me, hottest. Peppers, and I have some lime. No room for these things. No room. This little guy gonna go in. Or should I just put these in here? No good, no good, no good. All right, what else need to go in the fridge? So I got a few sodas things. Oh. That's for you to hold your drink. I gotta put it in. So let's find a place for it. Find it. You gotta be Haitian, Jamaican to like these, but you don't have to be. But I mean, I've been craving those, even though they're not so good for you like this. But cola, if you don't have one, try it. Put it in your fridge. Holla at me. Let me know how you like it. I promise you, when you go cola, you never go back. All right, so this one is not my testimony, but it's my husband and my daughter. For some reason, they find this ginger ale, blackberry one. They're crazy for it. They got the can, they got these. They onto it, but I don't know. But since I've been seeing all over my house, I got the can and I got this one, the liters too. So I guess it's good. So try this one out too. Let me know. Okay, I think this is it, y'all. I got pretty much everything inside my refrigerator. So now it's time to do the review. All right, my folks, this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it and like it. It was fun to organize, deorganize, clean my refrigerator, and now it looks so nice. I don't even want to shut the door. Why I need to shut the door? Can you know, it's a view, it's a vibe in there. But anywho, I hope you guys like this kind of video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And that's the notification bell, please hit it. I'm trying to, you know, for you to be part of this family and for me to be part of your family. Let's make that connection, you know. My goal is to, you know, just 100 subscribers for now. So thank you. You guys enjoy. Bye.